Hi lovelies, spring has sprung and I'm finally able to get out in my garden. But I have to admit, I was a bit lonely. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the Dollar Tree products specifically for kids to get your little ones out in the garden and get their hands dirty. Let's get to it. If you want to encourage them, you have to give them the right tools. Dollar Tree has expanded its kids section, and this is a great way to get your little ones started in the garden. This is a kids garden tool, and it comes with a spade and a fork. How cute is that? It comes in pink, and I think I also saw a blue one. And take a look at this kids apron for $1.50. It comes in both colors, pink and yellow. And can you imagine just putting this on your little boy or girl or grandkid? This is so cute. It really gets them in the mood to get their hands dirty and start planting. Oh guys, just take a look at this. My first garden. And they have zinnias. This is perfect just for your kids. It encourages your little ones to grow and start a garden. And this is an all-in-one kit. It's easy. They just put water in it and put it under a grow light and watch it grow. Isn't that so cute for $1.50? Something like this really not only encourages your little one or grandkids or niece and nephew to get out in the garden, but it also builds a lot of bonding time, right? This just really allows you to connect in the garden. They have tote bags, but miniature size. Isn't that so cute? And a gender neutral one, which is a green and yellow. They can put their snacks or water, anything that they desire to keep them busy in the garden. I know when my son was younger, he would not have been able to resist this. This is a pinwheel spinner. Look how cute it is. It's a bumblebee for $1.50. This would really encourage your kids to spend more time outdoors and off those cell phones and video games. The garden section also has watering cans like snails, this yellow snail, and this green dinosaur. How cute. So these are watering cans for the little kitties. This is something I haven't seen before. Check out this terracotta watering stake, just small enough for your little one. It's shaped like a bumblebee, and this really encourages them to water and to learn how irrigation works and the importance of keeping your soil nice and moist for your plants. We got the little frog. They also have a mushroom and a snail. I'm not a fan of Dollar Tree spray bottles, but when they come like this is absolutely adorable. Look at this. This is shaped like a little bumblebee. And I don't know about you, but when my son was younger, it was hard to keep him entertained. This would definitely do the job. This is $5 though, but take a look. This is a flower bubble machine for your little one. So I'm assuming that you just put batteries in it and it blows bubbles. It comes in yellow and blue. Take a look at this. This is a tulip or a rose. Isn't that just adorable? I love it. That's what I used to do. I used to get my son's favorite toy. I'd put it outside, and then he would watch me garden, and he'd ask me, "Hey mom, what are you doing?" And that was a way to get him involved in the activities, because nowadays kids are always on their cell phones, they're playing video games, and half the time they stay inside. So by you introducing them to gardening, that's a great way to not only get them to be more active, but just be able to talk to them more and share a little bit more family time. For some of you who are very creative, this is also a great time to show your skills to your grandchildren or your little ones or your niece and nephews. I have to admit, I am not as crafty, but I know some of you guys really know how to put something together and make it look fantastic. So this is another way to bond your kids or grandkids. Look what I found. These little markers that say "You're terrific," and the other one says "Great job." And you know what I was thinking? Maybe if you give them a task and they finish it, they can get this. You can put this on where they finish their project. Isn't that so cute? This is for $1.50. They have them in all different colors. Guys, they have awesome, great job, you're terrific, Another great job and well done. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. If you got any good useful information from this video, or if you liked what you see, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. I think this is just the beginning of Dollar Tree really expanding their line when it comes to kids and it comes to gardening. I think that this is something that is brand new, and I think that they're going to increase it because more people are getting into gardening, because let's face it, lots of things are getting expensive, and I think it's really important to start growing your food. What better way to share that experience than with your little ones, your grandkids, your nieces, your nephew, your son and daughter. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener, and hopefully you can find some of these garden items for your kids at your local Dollar Tree. Let me know what you have found at your local Dollar Tree. Leave it in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Stay rooted. Bye-bye.